No one can change a person, but someone can be a reason for a person to change. The size of your problems is nothing compared with your ability to solve them. Don't overestimate your problems and underestimate yourself. Keep your intentions pure, all your negativity will get dissolved. Observe the thing that hurt you most, teach you the greatest lesson in life. The eternal quest of the individual human being is to shatter his loneliness. To begin is the most important part of any quest and by far the most courageous. The best and most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt with the heart. When you finish talking bad about me, don't forget to tell them all the good I did for you. I am becoming the best version of myself. I am grateful for every single opportunity I have had in life. If you focus on the hurt, you will continue to suffer. If you focus on the lesson, you will continue to grow. Life is precious, so be kind to everyone you encounter. Always smile and be grateful for everything in your life. Life is short, time is fast, no replay, no rewind. Enjoy every moment as it comes. You see a person's true colors when you are no longer beneficial to their life. I might lose battles, but I won't lose faith or the will. I have to keep going. Sometimes all a person needs is a hand to hold and a heart to understand. Anything which is troubling you, anything which is irritating you, that is your teacher. Things and people change, and you know what goes on. Confidence is silent, insecurity is loud. You are going to make many mistakes in life, but you will also gain as many valuable lessons. Anyone can find the dirt in someone, be the one that finds the gold. You are trying your best, and trust me, that is enough. Notice everything, but be quiet. Learning to ignore things is one of the great paths to inner peace. Once they stop talking to you, they start talking about you. Soft attitude always creates strong relations. Don't take everything personally. Not everyone thinks about you as much as you think they do. The eyes never forget what the heart has seen. You are rich when you are content and happy with what you have. Life is only as good as your mindset. It's not the color of our skin that makes us different, it's the color of our thoughts. The wrong people will always teach you the right lessons. Sometimes you have to keep your good news to yourself. Everybody is not genuinely happy for you. The day I changed was the day I quit trying to fit into a world that never really fit me. God put people in your life for a reason and removes them from your life for a better reason. Only a man who don't love himself mistreats the woman who loves him. The man who does more than he is paid for will soon be paid for more than it is. Everything you need is already inside you. Don't wait for others to light your fire. You have your own matches. Walk with the wise and become wise. Associate with fools and get in trouble. Want is a growing giant whom the coat of hair was never large enough to cover. I used to think that the worst thing in life was to end up alone. It's not. The worst thing in life is to end up with people. I I lost myself trying to please everyone. Now I am losing everyone trying to find myself. How heat can help turn your immune system on. It is reported that Hippocrates stated those who cannot be cured by medicine can be cured by surgery. Those who cannot be cured by surgery can be cured by fire. First, do no harm. You will exercise your art solely for the cure of your patients and will give no drug, perform no operation for a criminal purpose, even if solicited, far less suggested. As to diseases, make a habit of two things: to help or at least to do no harm. Nature cures the diseases and the doctor can only help the nature. The soul is the same in all living creatures, although the body of each is different. If we could give every individual the right amount of nourishment and exercise, not too little and not too much, we would have found the safest way to health. Fat people who want to reduce should take their exercise on an empty stomach and sit down to their food out of breath. Thin people who want to get fat should do exactly the opposite and never take exercise on an empty stomach. Positive health requires a knowledge of man's primary constitution and of the powers of various foods, both those natural to them and those resulting from human skill. But eating alone is not enough for health. There must also be exercise, of which the effects must likewise be known. The combination of these two things makes regimen, when proper attention is given to the season of the year, the changes of the wind, the age of the individual, and the situation of his home. If there is any deficiency in food or exercise, the body will fall sick. If we could give every individual the right amount of nourishment and exercise, not too little and not too much, we would have found the safest way to health. Everything in excess is opposed to nature. Healing is a matter of time, but it is sometimes also a matter of opportunity. Before you heal someone, ask him if he is willing to give up the things that make him sick. The natural healing force within each of us is the greatest force in getting well. A wise man should consider that health is the greatest of human blessings and learn how by his own thought to derive benefit from his illnesses. Declare the past, diagnose the present, foretell the future. The natural healing force within each of us is the greatest force in getting well. There are in fact two things, science and opinion. The former begets knowledge, the latter ignorance. It is far more important to know what person the disease has than what disease the person has. As to diseases, make a habit of two things: to help or at least to do no harm. If we could give every individual the right amount of nourishment and exercise, not too little and not too much, we would have found the safety way to health. Men think epilepsy divine merely because they don't understand it. But if they called everything divine, which they do not understand, why there would be no end to divine things. It's far more important to know what person the disease has than what disease the person has. Attitude is a little thing that makes a big difference. If you knew how quickly people forget the dead, you'll stop living to impress people. Choose those who choose you. Alone but powerful. No one is you, that is your power. Own it. Success is loving life and daring to live it. Life is a balance of holding on and letting go. Don't be afraid to give up the good to go for the great. If you think yourself strong you will be. A great attitude becomes a great day, which becomes a great month, which becomes a great year, which becomes a great life. The pendulum of the mind oscillates between sense and nonsense, not between right and wrong. The moment you start acting like life is a blessing is the moment it starts feeling like fun. So much of our happiness depends on how we choose to see the world. Trying to be all things to all people is not sustainable. Take care of yourself and those you love most. Never sacrifice who you are just because someone else has a problem with it. When you forgive, you heal. When you let go, you grow. Believe in yourself and your feelings. Trust yourself to do what your heart is guiding you to do. Your intuition is powerful. Trust it.
ऑनरेबल व्यूअर्स, अगर आप मेरे चैनल को ग्रोथ देना चाहते हैं तो आप इस